You're not stuck. Your brain can rewire itself. Literally. It's called neuroplasticity and it changes everything. Hi, I'm Shruti. I help working professionals and mothers ditch the guilt and actually take care of themselves. So, the definition states that neuroplasticity is your brain's ability to change, adapt, and rewire itself by forming new neural pathways based on what you think, feel, and do repeatedly. Your mindset, your habits, even your emotional reactions are not fixed. They are flexible. The patterns you repeat, like overthinking, self-doubt, people-pleasing, aren't permanent. They are practiced. So if you've practiced fear, you can also practice peace. If you're wired for stress, you can also rewire for confidence, safety, joy. I used to always believe I'm just wired this way. Anxious, on edge, emotionally reactive. But I learned those were not personality traits. Those were patterns. And slowly, through therapy, mindfulness, and grace, I began to rewire my mind for calm. You are not broken. You're rewiring. Your brain is listening. Feed it what you want it to become. Because neuroplasticity means healing is possible starting today. Thank you for watching and follow me for more. Bye bye.